Manasik Aviation, a new startup Saudi National Airlines, requires cabin crew to be based in Jeddah. Conditions: males and females can apply. Minimum of high school certificate. Height between 160 and 180 centimeters with proportional weight. Age between 22 and 30 years. Attainment of the level B1/2 and above of English Proficiency. Preferably airline experience. Last date to apply is 31st of Dec, 2023. The conditions above are mentioned in the company website. Work base in Jeddah. Manasik Aviation is a new startup airline in Saudi